welcome back to our channel, Zam and Lou,
and together we make Zam and Lou.
So today we have a Q&A, and guys, don't come at us for sitting down so many times. Seriously, we're gonna do reviews and all of that. We are gonna do reviews, and we actually kind of have, but we also just like to talk. So we do say food, movies, chats, and vlogs.
Yes.
So yeah, we just enjoy talking, and we hope that you guys also will engage with us. So Zam, what are we doing today?
Today we are doing relationship thread questions. So much fun. Lusanda's gonna read the questions from her phone. We got the questions from Twitter user at
Ivana _Rhodes.
We asked permission because you can't just take other people's work and act like it's ours. And we also decided to do something different for us. We're in gowns.
Yes.
Drinking tea.
Yes.
Because it's a bit cold this Sunday and we're a bit tired because we had such an eventful Saturday.
Yeah.
All the events.
Anyways, you'll probably see that in a week or so.
Yeah. Exciting times. And we might have a little surprise of your girl dancing.
Definitely will, because the editor will make sure that it's in there. Anyways, guys, we're really gonna try. Actually, we're not. So this is a 2-part video. So you're not sitting there for like a whole hour. We're just gonna split it into 2. So just get comfortable
and grab your own tea and your gown. I know I don't have to tell some of you because I know you watch this in your gowns. Hey Kulile.
Yeah, so okay, we have like 21 questions.
Yes.
So the first question is, or I'll just read the questions. I won't necessarily say question 1 or whatever.
Because this is not like an exam paper or something. Guys, I feel like we're on morning live or something.
Do they even drink to your morning live?
I'm going to they have the cups there for.
Okay. After the physical, what's the first thing you look for in a person?
A person's values, because I feel like in order for a relationship to succeed, our values have to be somewhat aligned, because a mismatch of values just throws off the whole thing.
Yeah. For me, I look for brains. Like, you must be smart, like disgustingly smart, because I want to learn from you. I want to
make her Google things.
I love Googling stuff. So if you want to talk to me, like if you're going to send me a message and then I have to quickly Google before I answer you.
She likes that.
I love that. Anyways.
But it's nice to learn from your partner. Like, I can't imagine a relationship where you guys don't impart any knowledge. That's really so boring.
Was there ever an incident or person that made you doubt love? If yes, what happened?
There hasn't been an incident that has made me doubt love as yet. I can't think of anyone. But I've learned that people love you differently, and it might not be what you want. So their love languages might be different, but that doesn't mean they don't love you. They just love you in their way, and they show it in their way. But so I've never had a person who's made me doubt love.
For me, I don't think anyone could ever make me doubt love, but maybe, not maybe, I've been made to feel like, am I really worth being loved? So maybe doubt my worth of love.
And that's such a crappy feeling, to be in a relationship where you start doubting yourself or you start not realizing your worth. I mean, because I feel like whoever you surround yourself with is supposed to build you up, whether in a friendship or relationship context. They're like supposed to build you up, affirm you, make you feel like you are such a great person, but they also should call you out on your nonsense.
True. Do you believe cheating changes people?
Yes. Like, how can your partner cheat on you and you not change? I feel like the person who was cheated on, they change, they become, which is wrong, because I feel like when someone cheats, it's not the other person's fault. I 100% believe that they're not the issue. The cheater is the issue in this, but I feel like the person who was cheated on will feel insecure, will start doubting themselves, will almost question the relationship, which they really should start questioning the relationship.
I agree with everything that she said. Obviously the cheater, I don't know how you would change, but the person that's cheated on is obviously now going to start questioning their position in relationships. Like, maybe if they hadn't done ABC, this person wouldn't have cheated. And honestly, no one's to blame for being cheated on.
True.
Like, it's the cheater is the one to blame. You can't be at fault for someone cheating on you.
I actually wanted to ask you a question on cheating.
What?
So quickly.
Have I been cheated on?
No. Oh, do you think there is a respectful way of cheating? Because that has been a couple of people's chats that men cheat, but they should do it respectfully. Like, I shouldn't find out about it. Like it should be so low key that I don't suspect.
You can't put cheating and respect
in the same
one
sentence.
Because the moment you cheat on me, then all the respect is out the window. You don't care about me, you don't care about the relationship, and therefore that is disrespecting.
And I also feel
parties.
And I also feel that cheating allows people to talk some type of way about your partner. Because you don't respect your partner, so why should I respect your partner? So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna dog her out, and I feel like that's the lowest thing that you can do. When there's a couple that people look up to, and then
stop that, guys.
And then we just like, hey,
stop.
If only Nomzamo knew that Uma Usbongsen is in my clubbing. Agatseng.
Please stop looking up to couples. Don't do that stuff, because you honestly don't know what happens when it's just the two of them. You don't know. Like, stop looking up to couples and work on the type of relationship that you want for yourself.
And I also feel like couples should stop wanting to be goals as well. Live your truth as a couple, as a young couple, as an old couple, as a broke couple. Just live your truth.
Is sex more than just the physical deed to you?
Yes. Sex is more than just a physical deed to me. A lot goes into sex, I feel. Like, sex is a spiritual and emotional thing too.
Yeah, it is a bit more. I mean, it's not just the act, but you don't need to always focus on it more. Just, have it with someone that you like. Or just don't do it at all, like me. How do you feel about PDA?
I love PDA, but not like hardcore, like tongue down people's throats. Like, I think that's disgusting. Like, if we're at a mall or if we're walking down the streets, just hold my hand, peck, kiss on my forehead so you take all the sense out, do that, please.
I'm for PDA, but obviously, not too much. Let's hold hands, brush my back, brush my neck, you know, kiss me, kiss my hand, kiss my shoulder, those things.
So kiss.
For like an minute.
Umuntu wakho. Abantu bangacabanga ukuthi oh, this is Lusanda's brother, because there's just no like relationship affection.
Yeah.
Hey bo, Kanti, what are we?
Why did your last relationship end?
I feel like distance was a huge factor, because like my boyfriend and I had been dating for, well, ex now, had been dating for 3 years, and we started off long distance because I was in varsity and he was in KZN studying as well. And then I moved back home, and then I got a job this side, and again long distance, so we had to readjust, and it just became too much. Yeah.
My last relationship ended because his ex came back saying that she's pregnant with his child, and I supported him through that, and I said, okay, cool, it's fine.
I'm never gonna leave you.
I've got a kid, so
You're gonna raise this baby.
let's do this.
Like it's our own.
What?
I'm never gonna leave you. You're gonna raise this baby. Like
Okay, I never said I'm never gonna leave
You're gonna raise this baby.
you. You went there and you spoke, but okay, go off. Yeah, so I said I didn't immediately leave, but obviously we started like drifting apart, and so I just decided to just cut it off. How important is money in a relationship to you?
Very important.
I'm so tired, guys. You might see that our energies are a bit low. I'm so tired.
Not like, okay, it is important. I don't even want to act like it's not important. It is important, because you do need to show affection in a way, like by buying gifts and stuff, and that needs money. We do need to go out on dates, and that needs money, so money is important. But to say, oh Yazi, I really don't have transport money for the whole week, and all you get is ish baby sorry.
Oh, what are you gonna do now?
Hey bo,
What do you mean?
Kenzenjani?
And it's really sad, like that's been an experience that I've had quite a bit, where I'm always willing to help you financially, but then I don't always get the same back, and now I know my worth.
And she's added tax, so
favorite person right now?
Farai.
Not at this moment, because guys, we have been trying to shoot this video so many times, and we've had to cut because she keeps
screaming
walking
that she
in,
wants
she
bananas.
keeps knocking on the door, she keeps just screaming, do you want some bananas? And I'm just like, no, I want you to keep quiet so I can shoot.
Yeah, so Farai is my favorite person. You know, I sit at work sometimes, and I'm just like, oh, I miss her face, because she's got such a personality. I mean, like, are we ever bored when she's around? No. Do we ever watch TV when she's around? No. But we still love her. She's still my favorite person. Like, girl, bye.
Yeah, she's both my favorite person. What's the nicest thing someone's done for you? And obviously we'll keep it in the context of
relationships.
Romantic relationships.
My ex-boyfriend, I was so sick, I didn't have medical aid, because I was 21, so they kicked me off. So I didn't have medical aid, and I was so sick, I was like dog sick. And then he's just like, Zamo, you should get medication. And I'm just like, but I don't have medical aid, babes, and I can't go to the doctor because I need to be at work. And then he bought me medication from the pharmacy, and he gave it to my friend so my friend could give to me. And I thought it was just gonna be like painkillers and Sinotabs, you know. Oh, plastic full of like medicinal goodies. It is Oh, lovely. And that showed, Gucci, like that person really cares about me and me getting better, and you know, they weren't like spending on me wasn't an issue, you know, because I went to with the medical aids are just like, but then now we no more to
Okay, that's enough because you guys aren't together anymore. So.
Good
You
days.
just keep going on.
Good
Like,
days.
so you see playing with your hair, like so.
Good, it was sweet. Thank you.
Mine was I had a really bad day and I was crying non-stop, and so when he got back from training not that we were staying together, but yeah, he just came to say hi, and mine was I had a really bad day, and so my ex came and he wanted to know what was going on, and I couldn't speak the way I was just so upset and everything, and so I just slept like while crying, and then he just sat at the side of my bed on cold tiles the whole night, just comforting me, just brushing me the whole night, just so worried to what's going on. He texted my friends like, oh, do you know what's going on with Tulusand and everything? So I that's when I realized that he actually does care about me.
That's so sweet. I like it when boys show affection, show emotion, show everything.
Yeah,
like it's so nice when your partner shows you like what they're willing to do for you, you know, even when they don't have the means. Sometimes it's lovely.
okay, this is the last question for part 1. Please like and comment on this section, on this part of the questions, and then proceed to watch our part 2 and like and comment there too. You know, let's get to know each other and see what a nice and not so nice things we've gone through in relationships. And yeah, and tell us if you guys are single or dating or in relationships, because there's a difference.
Yeah, there is a difference between dating and being in a relationship. Something that we need to still talk about, because
We will talk
people
about
just don't know there is a difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. Back at it with part 2. Yes, and the Sunday's gonna ask us more questions. Cry, guys. I schedule crying dates with myself, because we adults now.
Did you move to a different country for love?
Kinda. Yeah,
We're cool.
but don't let pride get in the way.
Yeah.
Don't.
Discipline.
I do shout, but I do shout if I'm getting frustrated.